PC-Addicts is back, y'all. I'm gonna be putting together a lot of videos. I have a lot of things, a lot of ideas. I have my camera set up. I got OBS set up for screen recording. And I just did a live yesterday. It was like an hour long, I didn't realize. But like the first 12 minutes of it was just me fiddling around trying to figure out if the stream's working and how everything works. I'm gonna buy hardware for 4 hosts, 2 ESXi builds, or 2 ESXi hosts in a VMware environment, and then 2 xcpng. And I'm gonna work on showing you how to do the server basic stuff in the ESXi environment to begin with, or some of it. And then we're gonna work on migrating everything from ESXi over to xcpng. So that one's coming down the pipe here real soon. I'm gonna show you actually me planning out the hardware specs for it. Again, this isn't gonna be hardcore server hardware. It's gonna be probably used business class PCs or desktops because I really want to make it affordable. I don't wanna spend a lot of money on it. I want other people to also not be worried about the cost of all this stuff, but to be able to build your own home labs environments to learn and grow from. We're gonna be using AI some to leverage the tool sets from AI. And actually I use AI quite a bit for a lot of things, for troubleshooting, for building out whatever we're building. We're building a lot of platforms, a lot of applications. So it's very helpful in that sense. And I just wanna let you know, we're gonna be trying to put out videos, or I say we. I'm gonna try to put out videos at least once a week, probably on Tuesdays, I'm not sure yet. That way there could be a cadence, there could be a rhythm, you guys can expect it if you're interested in learning and going through a sysadmin type day-to-day routine and just learning and building and all that other stuff. If you don't know who I am, I'm Chris Davis from PC-Addicts. We started this channel back in 2008 on YouTube. Before that was actually Ustream.tv, a long time ago. But with the intent of helping others get into the tech world, do technical things, and then I grew into a sysadmin position and been there ever since. So I think I can help other people out and other people can help me out as well. Join me on this journey. We're also gonna be doing live streams. And I think Shannon wants to bring back some of the live stream stuff. So I might have to get a camera set up on her computer, and she sits right over on the other side of this camera, but facing that way. So that's the plan for now. A lot more to come out. The site's gonna have all the PowerShell scripts. So I'm working on that now. I'm trying to go back and get all the PowerShell scripts and get those sanitized and figured out and published for you guys, because I have a lot of people asking about those. So even to this day. So I'm working on that. I might go live during lunchtime today because I'm still working my normal 9-to-5 job, and or I might go live later tonight or tomorrow. Who knows? That's just gonna be a random thing, going live. But I want to get this video out to you guys, and hopefully see you soon.